We are Chamomile and Whiskey, and we are playing at the Whiskey Jar tonight as part of the Tom Tom Festival. This is an original song called Driving Range. Night now, you come to me. Been traveling all day just for your face to see. Watch the beats of rain roll down the window perfectly. The candle burns out, but you're still here with me. You won't let me go. Oh, you're right. Telling me what I already know the sky. All reflections in the window pane. Nightmares seem like a sea, make you feel lost and oh so lonely. There's no siren's voice, it's called out to me. And I crash my ship, it's where I wanna be. I make a prisoner of myself to your arms. I don't want nobody else, no disguise. Our reflections in the window pane, all in love. In the driving range. Thank you so much. We will be at the Whiskey Jar tonight as part of the Tom Tom Festival. We are Chamomile and Whiskey.